Hello and happy spring break. Number 34, awkwardly written. We've got 5 functions, 5 intervals, and it wants to know which has the smallest average value of f. Okay, and you remember the average value is 1 over b minus a of the integral from a to b. Now, I do not advise you compute this 5 times. Let's think critically. Sine of x from 0 to pi over 2, that area is 0. Let's see. Yeah, that area is 0. And you know what? Cosine of 2 pi from 0 to pi, that's 0 as well. It's knowing these things and sort of being able to recognize that. Alrighty, so I've got 3 options. Cosine and cosine. Lucky for me, those are the exact same graph. Check it out. If I take cosine from 0 to 3 pi over 4 and 0 to pi over 2, I don't know what I get, but I do know I get a positive area. And I do know I get a positive area. A funny thing about the cosine of 2x from 0 to 3 pi over 2 over 4 is that I actually get a negative value. And I can see that if I use my graphing calculator. Okay, which I want to stress. I want to stress that this is a calculator problem. You ought to try it out. So, knowing that these are 0, and sort of knowing cosine well enough to know that these are going to be positive values, I just have to take a quick look at this guy, the one I don't know, to realize that, oh, he has a negative area. He is therefore the smallest, or the least of the values. So my answer is E. Talk to you again in the next one.